A randomized block experiment is a method to minimize the effect of external factors that could affect the result of our experiments. In an experiment, there is one factor or variable that is of primary interest. There are external factors or nuisance factors that can affect our results. So blocking allows us to reduce or eliminate the nuisances. So the experiment could be divided into nuisance factors, called blocks, where each block contains a collection of completely randomized experiments. Let's look at an example. Here's an engineering example. In the manufacturing process of integrated circuits, a semiconductor material such as silicon is thin sliced to make wafers. Resistive material is added, they are passed through a furnace, then they are diced, and then packed to make chips. Suppose we need to test whether different doses applied on wafers influence resistivity after wafers are passed through a furnace. Let's say we have 4 doses to test, and we know that each furnace run varies from the last run. This furnace variation can affect our results, and thus it is considered as the nuisance factor. The ideal way to run the experiment would be to eliminate the nuisance factor completely, by passing through the furnace all treatments in a single run. However, this is not possible because customers' orders have priority, and there are only a few empty slots in each run to add experimental wafers. Since we have to do several furnace runs, the most we could do is 3 runs. So 4 doses times 3 furnace runs equals 12 wafers that we need to test. The non-block way to conduct this experiment would be to run wafers randomly in 3 runs. However, this method can throw off our results because the furnace variation will alter the results. The block way to run the experiment would be to run 4 wafers at a time, making sure all 4 doses are present in each run. We randomize the order of where each wafer is placed within the run. Doing the furnace run this way, we have minimized the effect of the nuisance factor on our experiment. In essence, nuisance factors are all factors that can affect the result of an experiment, but the effect is of no interest to us. Randomized block design is an excellent method to eliminate or minimize the effect of such factors.